Guys, Justin here from Definition Car Detailing. Today we got this Toyota Lancruiser 79 series in for a full ultimate pinstripe kit. So what we are doing on the car, we are putting our paint protection film to the guards, the fenders, full doors and the pillars. So this is going to give it the ultimate protection against bush scratching, rocks, debris, stone chips, anything that you can pretty much potentially damage your paintwork. This car is going to be protected and it's going to be ready for four-wheel driving. Stay tuned for this one. Thank you.
Alright guys, so we are back with the 79 series Lancruiser. Now it's completely finished, completely wrapped in Flexi Shield paint protection film. So we've wrapped the full fenders, the flares, we've removed all the badges to ensure a clean wrap, removed all the blinkers, the indicators, removed the mirrors, any badges that it has had, just to make sure fitment of the wrap is nice and tucked away and invisible. Perfect cutout around the keyhole, so you can see that's pretty much invisible, all tucked underneath the rubbers. So we've got the full guards, full doors, PPF'd, all the pillars, this rear piece here, pillars again. Just check out the absolute gloss on this thing. So the owner of this car doesn't have to worry about any scratches when he goes out bush, so any trees hitting the side, anything that can potentially key the panel, that's not going to cause any damage as it's protected with the clear wrap. So the ultimate protection for your vehicle is a PPF. It's self-healing on top of that, so he won't have to worry about swirl marks anymore. Stone chips, that's a big factor, and of course the bush pin stripes they can get when you're out four-wheel driving, and that's the main reason why he's got this PPF kit. So if you're interested in our 4x4 packages, please contact me on 0404 992 770 for our full PPF solutions.